Hey guys, it's Debbie, and I am going to work on a pour painting. I just finished doing one, and went to fill up some of my colors, trying to have them all ready, and I made a big container of black, and I spilled it all over the floor and everywhere, and I just happened to have cleaned up my room last night, my paint room, and my table was all clean, and now it's a mess. So here we go. Anyways, I accidentally got the painting I had just previously worked on, dropped a couple drops of water on it, which it was wet. I hadn't put over in the drying rack yet, and so I totally ruined it. So what I did is I scraped it, and so right now it still has a little base of paint, which I'm going to show it to you right now, and we're just going to go over top of that. So that's the story. So here we go. We'll put it on. Okay, so you can see it's trying to do something right now. I was totally gonna just scrape it, but then I thought, no, I'll use some of that for my next one. So here we go. I need to move this out of the way, don't I? I'm gonna do my pour cup. Okay, because I just finished doing this. I'm gonna use the same cup because I'm using the same colors, and hopefully this time they won't have thickened up, because I don't know who sneaks the flour in the cups to thicken them, but somebody sure does. Oh boy. I have a thick one. I'm probably not going to use it this time, except for I really kind of wanted to use this one. Ooh, I don't like the way that happened. Alright, I gotta slow down a little bit. So you couldn't see that other one. It didn't sit on top. I don't know where it went. I was in a hurry to get out of here, I guess. Okay. Alright, I really probably don't need any of this, but I'm still going to do it. I'm going to do it like I did last time, where I had a little white around the edge. Oh, I like all that black. Let's see if we can whip up something underneath there, though. Should I torch it or not? Oh, those blue ones got little yellow rings around them. I don't know if you can see that, but right there. Ooh, I really like that. I don't want to lose any of that. So, who knows what I'm going to do to save it. Get this back up. I don't want to lose any of that either because I like this. I like the way this is flowing all down into here. So, trying not to lose the things I like. And there goes some of that white off. I'm going to pull that back in. I like that. I'm going to have to do something up here because I don't want to lose that. But I'll try and move it a little bit. I already lost some. See that? I think I'm just going to add a little bit extra black right in there. There we go. Oops. I'm liking this. I don't even know if I want to move it anymore. Yeah, I really like this. I'm going to let this go. I think I'm going to call this one done. I'm pretty happy with it. So, anyways, guys, I know this is a quick one, but gotta get cleaned up. And, anyways, guys, thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye-bye.